Hello everyone and welcome to this Amate Technical channel. So today we're gonna do the tutorial on road design in SW Road Video Professional. Here we're gonna cover the tutorial from part 1 till part 6 where you're gonna learn how to import the survey data from SW Road till you're gonna generate the plan, profile and cross section and export it to the AutoCAD. So let's run the SW Road. Before running the SW Road, this SW Road is the Nepali made software and is very convenient to use. If you want to ask me which software you want to proceed for your career in designing the road, then I would probably recommend you the SW Road Video Professional. This is a very good software and it's very easy and convenient to use. So now let's first we're gonna import the survey data. So let's close this one. So here I have open one folder. So this is the survey data which we have imported from the total station. Let's open this Excel file for now. And you can see our data should be in steel, knotting and elevation. If it's not in this format, then it will not be in correct format. So you have to keep this format like this one. This is serial number, this is steel, knotting, this is label, and this is description or remark. So the data should be in this format. And the Excel file you should save in. I'll recommend you to save in CSV format. That will be good one. So you can either buy the SW Road or you can download the trial version, but it only works for 2.5 kilometer road. So it's better you buy this software if you want to design the road. So here I have opened the SW Road. So you can first you have to do is here you can see our SW Road Video Professional software has opened. Like other software, we have file, data, edit, BTM, utility, menu, and you can see here we have new project, open project, and import project. So once you open your file, software, just go to the file and create a new project. So here I have already created this one. Again, I'm gonna select this and I'm gonna write it 2.5 kilometer road. So let's save the project. So here it is asking us some detailed information. So who surveyed the road and who is gonna design it. So for now I'm gonna write this ABC and it's designed by also XYZ. So project system, I'm gonna go with MUTM and zone will be 84, and for WGS 84 I'm gonna use Nepal Naga code TM. Okay. So it's creating some layer for us. So here you can import your data in the SW Road in number of ways. So we're gonna discuss some of the ways we can import the data in the SW Road. So first of all, let's go to SW Road and click on this point pendant. I'm gonna minimize this for now, and let's again open the SW Road. Let's go to the DTM. So here you can see there are many options here. You can create your topo map by opening the AutoCAD SW For mine it is not working because this SW file is missing. So for you it might work if you want to go in this way. For now I'm gonna go in the traditional way. So here is some critical error. I'm gonna click on OK and again open the file. So let's open the project we have just created, that is road 2.5 kilometer. Let's open it. So I'm gonna again start right where we have left or before, and here you can see this one doesn't run because I don't have this swdtm file. So you can either download it in the soft in the market. So here the one way to import the point data in the SW.V2 professional is, first I'm going to go with the traditional way. Here I have downloaded one SWDTM free version from the net. You can also download it if you want. Let's close this one. So here you can see my AutoCAD is open, and here my SWDTM is open. So first you need to do is go to the point and import point from file. Let's see it works or not. Import points. This is our file. Points open. It is saying error opening file. It's okay, it's not opening. Let's check it's open or not. So yeah, it's not opening. So let's do another way. So here, let's select from here and Ctrl Shift N, copy this data, and then go to the here SWDTM, go to the point, import point from Excel. So the point table scale will use 0.25 and use the mark as real name. I'm gonna import the point. So let's see if our point is imported or not. Okay, you can see here our surveyed point has been imported here, and these are the remarks. This is the ECL, internet existing central line. This is a pavement, or you can write RE road is. This is spot height. Here you can say this is here is GR. This is junction road. So in this way you can import your data, but we have imported this data only in AutoCAD. So you can import your data in the AutoCAD, and from here you can draw the feature line, and after uh, completing your topo map, you can import this topo map in the SWN road. Just go to the DTF and import drawing, and under import drawing click the file name. So this would be in DXF format. So let's say you have to open this. So this is DXF map. Open it and load, and here it gonna ask to select the layer. So select it and import it, and click on OK and double click zoom in, enter, and here you can see our the scaling of the point is a bit higher. So let's change it for our easiness to see in the monitor. So let's change it to 0.25. So now yeah, it's a little bit clearer than previous. So in this way you can either work in AutoCAD and import all your file to the SW road, but we're not gonna do that. We're gonna work right here in the SW road, because the new version of SW road provide the facility of the inbuilt DTM right here. So for now I'm gonna just unsave it and click the close project. I'm not gonna save it. I'm gonna open it. So let's again open that file. So you have learned the one way we can import the data in the AutoCAD of our survey data, and after making some topo drawing, we're gonna we can export it on the SWD road. So for now I'm gonna close this AutoCAD. Click on no. So let's again start from the scratches. I'm gonna close this SWDTM free software. So this is the new interface of the SW.V2 professional. So in the left side you can see all the layer. You can check and uncheck it to see the effect it have on your screen. But before doing that, here it's a blank canvas. You can consider it as a blank canvas. nothing is here, so we have to load some Excel file. So again, here is two way to import the Excel survey data. Go to the DTM, and here you can see import SW survey data, and you can see import points. So let's go from the point, import points from file, or you can either go from import point from Excel. Let's go import point from file. Let's select this screen. Here an error occur when importing because I have already opened this file here. So if you close this and again go to point, import point from file and open it, here you can see our file has been imported. It's that easy. So you can see our point has been imported. You can also change the scaling of this point. Go to the DTM, import point, and set the blocks. You can, if you want a little bit higher, you can change to the 0.5, but the standard one will be 0.25. So the point of the scale I'm gonna change it to 25 and click on OK. So here you can see all our point has been imported. So let's say if you want to delete some point, how can you do it? It's easier. Just go to DTM. Under points, you can delete from the point range. Just select the points which you want to delete. Let's open the Excel file again. So if you want to delete, let's say I want to delete whole. So we have 9,709 points. So let's delete everything. 9,709. So you can see our point has been deleted. So let's go and import the point in another way. Again, go to the DTM points. Let's say we're gonna import the point from file. So here you can see there is some notification we have got. It's saying that invalid column, select 5 column. So what does this mean is that we haven't selected anything from here. So let's select all the data from 1 5 till 9,709 and copy it. So go to the SW row, again go to the DTM and points and import point from Excel. So you can see our point has been exported into the SW row. So here you can see the same point has been again imported. So in this way you can import your survey data. So you can, so here I want to go some extra things. Before that, let's just see what is under the file. So here in the file menu you can see new project, open project, and import project. If you have been working under the previous version of the SW, you can import your project to this version, and you can also edit your project detail, which we have been asked while we were creating the new project. So you can change from file, go to the project detail, and you can change all your information again. And here you can say you can merge your project and close your project. So in the data we're gonna deal this later on, same as the edit. For now we only gonna work in this DTM for the next few class, or you can say video. Here is the utility, compute, estimate, output, drawing, 3D visualization, and you can check your update for your software. So this way you can import your file. I want to show you something here. If you have imported your data, let's say survey have given you this file, this is your server file. So you need to convert this into CSV and load it into the SW. So how can you do that? So let's open this into the Excel file. So I'm going to open it in the Excel file. So let's open this. So here you can see our file has been populated in this way. I'm gonna delete this one. I don't need this one for now. So here you can see all our data has been exported in one cell. So here you can see all this cell. So first I'm gonna delete this. If I leave this whole file will get deleted. So you can't export this one in SW So what you need to do, so for our convenient, select all this and change this text to column. So why is thing asking me this? Because I have selected from here to here. So you can't select this way. So you have to select only this one and go right to the end and go to text to column. And you can see now our new dialog box has appeared. So click on next. So here our data is start from here 3 5 6 7 3 4 5 6 7. Yeah, this is nothing, this is listing, this is level, and this is our remarks. So click on next and finished. So here it has completed this to the nothing, listing, label, and description. Let's for now I'm not gonna do this beyond 2. So here this is our point number, and here there is some blank spaces. So select all this. I'm gonna select the blank cell, delete it. So now we have a file which can be exported into the SW. And yeah, this is also good if you are working in this symmetry. You can export this by simply saving it as CSV file. So let's say this is just for test, and the file version I'm gonna save it is CSV comma daily method. Save it and say can okay. So here you can see I'm gonna delete this .html. Here you can see our test file, and this file you can load on the SW. So thank you for today, and then in the next video we're gonna learn how to create a feature online and DTM. Thank you.